Before I get onto the beach, surface find. A wet, soggy dollar. Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode sensitivity of 6. Let's get all the goodies. All right, we have a miscellaneous signal. Solid 45. Let's get it. 2.5 inches. 1.5 inches. All right. It just rained last night and it's real misty right now, so let's see if the sand works with us. Is that a bottle cap? Yep. One little bottle cap into the pouch. Surface find. Oh, oh. All right, nice sharp hooks. Carefully into the pouch. Another surface find. Oh. More fishing gear. Blindly grab at stuff. Want to grab the hook if there is one, but safely into the pouch. That's 2. All right, I have a miscellaneous signal. Solid 54. Let's get it. 1.5 inches. Right here, 1.5 inches. All right, shake, shake, shake. Don't see anything, I don't hear anything. Don't see anything. Is that a penny? That is the, yeah. The penny is encrusted into the pouch. 28 nickel. That is the most solid 28 I've ever seen. Let's get it. One inch. Ah, I see it. Can slaw, my favorite. Into the pouch. First shark tooth of the day, into the pouch. 1 sand tiger tooth. Quarter signal. 81, 82. Let's get it. 4 inches. 2.5 inches right here. All right, shake, shake, shake. I didn't hear it rattling. Oh, there it is. All right, 1/4 into the pouch. Oh. I gotta start using this scoop. Oh man, 1 small sand tiger tooth into the pouch. A dime signal, solid 70, 4. Let's get it. 2.5. 2 inches right here. I think I see it. Shake, shake, shake. All right, this is a penny. Oh, one more. One more sand tiger tooth into the pouch. That one's a good one. That's beautiful. Very sharp tips there. Beautiful. Into the pouch. Penny signal. 59.60. Let's get it. 2 inches. 1.5 inches right here. All right, shake, shake, shake. A little windy out, so it's going sideways. It's too much stuff. Did I get it? I sure did. All right. Got him. One more penny into the pouch. One more. Lemon shark tooth. Windy out, so into the pouch. Here's where the penny was. A couple steps over, I have a nickel signal, 25. Is it a nickel or is it a pull tab? 3 inches, only one way to find out. 2 inches right here. I think it's a nickel. Did I get it? All right, one yellow nickel into the pouch. Whoa, yeah, baby. One surface find. Penny just sitting on the surface. Into the pouch. A very jumpy signal. Saying it's a 74. Alright, I'll take it. 3 inches. 2 inches right here. Clump right here. Wrong clump. There it is. All right, it's a penny. Pennies and dimes have roughly the same composition, same size. When it's wet like this, pennies will ring up as dimes and vice versa, or close to it. So. Into the pouch. Oh yeah. The great white tooth. No root, but the tooth is there. Into the pouch. That's pretty awesome. I have a jumpy signal. Goes from 26 to 30s. Wonder if it's multiple targets. Got a weird wobble to it. All right, let's get it. Half an inch under the surface. Is that can slow? Yep, bottom of a can. You'd think I'd know what the bottom of a can sounds like. Into the pouch. I have another surface find. Just sitting on the surface, wind blown. It's a dime. Into the pouch. I have jumpy penny signal. Let's get it. Wonder if it's a coin spill. A little jumpy. It's either a coin spill or a sinker, I think. It's right here, just under the surface. There's the penny. Or if there's anything else. Why that penny was so jumpy. Just corroded, it's starting to bubble up into the pouch. Alright, I have a dime signal. 73, 75, let's get it. Saying it's right under the surface. Half inch. Shake, shake, shake. All right, one yellow dime into the pouch. I like that color, it's pretty cool. One more shark tooth into the pouch. I have a penny signal. Goes from 66 to 71. Let's get it. 4 inches. 3.5 inches right here. I think I see it. Yep. Alright. Hey, it's not a penny, it's a dime. Pennies and dimes. Into the pouch. Look at this surface find. It's just a quarter just sitting there. Right on the surface. Is that a corner? Oh yeah, it is. It's got Mount Rushmore on it. Into the pouch. I like that it was sitting on the surface. I have a high tone, 83 to 86. Let's get it. It'll disappear on me when I go all metal. I just ground balance it out. Saying it's 7 inches. 4 inches right here. So, looks like. Alright. Calling it a quarter. I like that. Shake, shake, shake. One more quarter into the pouch. Colorado. One more sand tiger tooth. That's a good, that's beautiful. Into the pouch. A quarter signal. Solid 83, 84. Let's get it. 3 inches. 2 inches right here. Alright, shake, shake, shake. Alright, I see some shells. Oh, there it is. 1/4 into the pouch. A quarter signal. It's a solid 84. Inch and a half. 1 inch. Alright, shake, shake, shake. Now that is a green quarter. Green on one side, into the pouch. Welcome to the wrap up. I had a fantastic day at the beach. I found $1 in the parking lot. 5 quarters, 4 dimes, 1 nickel, 6 pennies, and a bunch of shark teeth. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends.